A health savings account, or HSA, is an incredible tool for retirees, especially when it comes to managing medical expenses tax-free. But many retirees aren't aware of just how powerful this account can be. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and staying on top of your financial planning, keep watching. At the end of this video, I'll share something that could seriously benefit you, especially if you have substantial savings. Now, let's dive into how an HSA works and how you can use it to pay for tax-free medical expenses. First things first, an HSA allows you to save money tax-free for medical expenses. Unlike other accounts, contributions to your HSA are tax deductible, meaning you save money right off the bat. And on top of that, the money grows tax-free. You can use the funds to pay for things like doctor's visits, prescriptions, and even some over-the-counter medications. But here's the kicker. If you use the funds for qualified medical expenses, you won't pay taxes on that money either. As a retiree, you likely know that medical costs can add up quickly, and many are unexpected. The beauty of an HSA is that it allows you to plan for those costs while minimizing the impact on your finances. You're building up a tax-free reserve of funds that can cover medical expenses when you need them most. And this is especially important since, as a retiree, your healthcare costs are only going to rise. But how do you qualify for an HSA? Well, you need to have a high deductible health plan, or HDHP. This means that your health insurance policy has to meet certain criteria. Specifically, your deductible has to be a certain amount before your insurance kicks in. If you're already on an HDHP, then you're set to open and contribute to an HSA. And as a retiree, this is even more crucial because it gives you a dedicated way to save for healthcare expenses without worrying about future tax penalties. One of the most common mistakes I see, especially among retirees, is not maximizing the contribution limits to their HSA. In 2025, for individuals, the contribution limit is $3,850, and for families, it's $7,650. If you're 55 or older, you get an extra $1,000 catch-up contribution. That's a significant amount you could be saving every year to build up a buffer for future medical needs. Over time, these contributions compound, creating a growing tax-free pool of funds that you can draw from when needed. Another important feature of an HSA is that it's portable. Unlike some other health accounts, if you change jobs or retire, your HSA stays with you. You can continue to use the funds without worrying about losing them or having to switch plans. This makes it a great long-term savings tool, especially for retirees looking to maintain their health and finances over the years. Now, while an HSA is a great option, I must point out that it's not the best solution for everyone. If you have significant savings or investments in your retirement accounts, like an IRA or a 401k, you might want to consider other options as well. For example, a gold IRA is an excellent way to diversify your wealth and protect your savings from inflation and market volatility, which are constant threats to retirees. If you're looking to safeguard your wealth and create a stable financial future, I recommend checking out the first link in the description to get a free guide about gold IRAs and why thousands of Americans are turning to them to protect their assets. Gold IRAs provide incredible benefits, and unlike an HSA, they can serve as a hedge against the economic uncertainty we're seeing today. It's an investment tool that preserves your wealth while offering you the stability you need in retirement. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, a gold IRA might be exactly what you need to make sure your savings stay intact. Back to the HSA. The other advantage is that you can let your funds grow tax-free until you need them. This means that if you're in good health now, you can let your money accumulate over the years and use it for any medical expenses that arise in the future. Plus, once you turn 65, you can withdraw funds for any purpose, and you'll only pay taxes if you're not using it for medical expenses. This makes it a versatile financial tool that can help in both the short and long term. So whether you're just starting to build your HSA or looking for ways to enhance your retirement portfolio, make sure you're taking full advantage of these tax-free medical expenses. But don't forget, for those with significant savings, over $100K or even $5 million, there are other tools that can help secure your financial future. Gold IRAs are just one of them. If you're looking to make sure your retirement is as secure as possible, click the link in the description for a free guide on gold IRAs. If you have $100K in your IRA or 401k or more, this could be the most important step you take to protect your wealth. And as always, be sure to explore all your options, from HSAs to gold IRAs, and find the perfect strategy for your unique situation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.